Patients that do not attend appointments, known as DNAs, are a well-publicised and serious problem across the NHS, costing over £600 million per annum and increasing waiting times for other patients. Sheffield Teaching Hospitals NHS Foundation Trust provides over 1 million appointments and operations each year and was experiencing problems with DNAs. The Trust considered a number of solutions to remind patients to attend their appointment and selected Remind+ from Telephonetics VIP. Remind+ was chosen because of its pricing structure and the two-way interaction with patients, which allows the Trust to find out which patients will attend their appointments and which will not.
Sheffield Teaching Hospitals is the largest foundation trust in the country. We're a multi-site organisation working on 2 campuses about 5 miles apart. We have about 14,000 staff, which is 12,000 whole-time equivalent. We see 860,000 outpatient appointments a year, about 110,000 A&E attendance a year, and around 160,000 inpatient admissions. Sometime in 2008, we had a project looking at why we had so many people that didn't attend their outpatient appointments and what we could do about it. And as part of that project, we identified the fact that we would need some form of technology base to remind people about appointments. We went out to tender through the European Journal and interviewed 4 companies, and Telephonetics VIP were the successful company. When we went through the competitive interviews with the other suppliers, we scored them all, and Remind+ was the product that came out for us with the greatest utility. Other suppliers were predominantly providing us with their ability to contact patients, and they would charge us a fee per patient contacted. Once we'd implemented Remind+, those costs are then sunk, and we're now left with just the marginal cost of contacting patients or staff. This means that I can go from 500,000 to 1 million to 2 million contacts, and my only costs are the cost of our telecommunications. Our DNA rate has dropped from about 8.3% to about 7%. That may not sound much, but in an organisation of this size, that's the equivalent of 10,000 lost appointments. Those appointments for us are probably worth around about £1 million this financial year. I believe that every trust in the country could benefit from using Remind+. We have a very large outpatient department. We see 860,000 visits a year, and obviously with a DNA rate of just over 8%, there's a lot of benefit that can be achieved by reducing that. But even smaller trusts, I believe, will get great benefit from using Remind+.